Hi everyone and welcome. It's Lauren here from Acting Classes in Perth, and this is episode number 3 of the Acting Classes in Perth Your Questions Answered Daily Show. The show where I answer all your acting related questions at 7 p.m. every single day here on Facebook Live and also on YouTube Live simultaneously. Now, a huge thank you and shout out to everyone who is watching us. It's much appreciated and I really thank you for it. Before we get into our question, I think it's time that we run the intro. All right, so today's question comes into us from Sanya. Thank you so much, Sanya, for sending that question in. But before we get to it, if you are watching us here, then please give us a huge thumbs up. We would love to know that you're with us. Leave a comment, ask a question, maybe a question that you would like asked on the show in the future, or simply give us a hello or a g'day. Well, here we go. Let's jump straight into Sonya's question for episode 3.
This is Sanya, and this is my question. Should we get paid as extras? Thank you for answering my question.
Thank you so much, Sonia, for your question. I'd say about 95% of the time here in Perth, you're not going to be paid as an extra on a production. And that's purely because we don't have the big budget stuff they tend to have over in the East Coast and even bigger, over in the States. Now, you will sometimes get paid as an extra, most likely on a larger film, on a TV series, or even, in a TV commercial. But I have heard recently as well that extras are being paid occasionally with gift vouchers. So maybe a Coles Myer gift voucher, this kind of thing. If it's just say a 4-hour call and they've got a very small role as an extra, maybe way up the back or in the crowd, that tends to be a way that productions can get quite a lot of people for not having to pay a lot of money. So you might get paid, but very unlikely as an extra here in Perth. If you are, it's probably just going to be a couple of $100 or a gift voucher. Now, I would say, however, that does not mean that being an extra in a project is not important. I think on the contrary, if you're starting out as an actor, if you are a beginner to intermediate level actor, I think being an extra on local productions is a great step to understanding how a film set comes together. It's also a great way for you to meet other actors around you at also that same level around you here in Perth and kind of where you're at within your career, because a lot of actors do find their next jobs on film sets and film crew do as well. You kind of get talking, and that's called networking. You build relationships, you build friendships, you build associations with people that you're able to, I guess, find out what they're up to. They kind of find out a bit what you're up to, and you help each other as you go. So being an extra on a set is actually a great opportunity, and I would always encourage, if you do have the time, especially if the job is unpaid being an extra in this particular project, then if you can afford the time, I would say go for it, because I think that you're going to learn a heck of a lot, and you're going to meet a lot of people that are going to help you gain future work and experience as well. Thank you so much, Sonia, for sending in that question. If you liked Sonia's question, then show your support by clicking the share button and helping your fellow actors out. Now, if you are watching this on Facebook, be sure to like and follow us on our page here at Acting Classes in Perth. And if you're watching us on YouTube, simply click the subscribe button and be sure to click the notification bell so that you can stay up to date with all the new videos that are coming out from us. Now, on top of that, if you are listening to us on iTunes, click subscribe and we will send you new episodes as they come out. Thank you so much for joining us. I will see you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. for another kick-ass question answered by me. But until then, like always, stay safe and happy acting.